flashlight? Oh yeah, there's a flashlight on my phone. Sorry guys. Yeah, but look at all those birds all the way down over there. Holy crap. Sorry if you guys can't see them. They're really far away actually. We like don't know what they're doing actually. Like we don't know what they're doing.
Oh, look at all those chickens!
They're not chickens.
You're a chicken, you fat clocking chicken! Oh
Do-
yeah, I'm serious.
Just stop. Oh, they're coming, they're coming. There's so many birds. Oh, they're here now. Holy crap. You guys can see that they're all over here now. Oh, they're over there, they're there. They're there. Look at that. Oh, hold on.
You do not growl at your own.
Look at that. Oh, they're all here now. Oh, God.
What's up, little niggas? That's what one.
Oh, God, they're over here now. Oh, my God.
I wish I could get shit on.
Oh, there's so many beautiful birds.
Man, I look like my mama. Imagine if that plane comes crashing down.
Because of all the
It
birds.
kills all the planes and it kills all the birds. And I'm like, well,
That'll be bad. Literally, like, there's so many birds. We don't know what they're doing, guys. We just found this. We found it earlier, like in the morning. Like at 11:30. We found it. Like, no. Like all these birds in the morning. What do you...
You do not attack on me, okay?
Joyce, leave her alone.
No. That's my choice. I need it now.
Oh, boy.
Hey, you want to fight with me, little nigga?
But yeah, that was my pit bull, guys.
Yeah, what's up, bitch?
That's the pit bull, and that's my annoying little brother. He's really annoying, literally. If you guys have any siblings, I feel sorry for you guys, but he's like the most annoying one of all. But we love him. Oh God. Oh. Now like the birds are like split. Oh, there they are. What are they doing exactly? Guys, if you know... If you guys know what they're like doing, can you tell us? Oh God. I hate those other birds.